What is this?
It's my new phone.
What did you order?
Samsung Galaxy S23
It just
came out today.
today. Today is the first day.
Yeah.
So you guys can buy now Galaxy S23. My phone is Galaxy S22. Her version is 1 year's upgrade version. Oh, and then show the which color.
Lilac.
It's kind of purple and pink.
아, 도와주세요.
You have scissors. Oh, Galaxy. It looks like your phone color is black.
'cause
but
there's
it's not
paper
black.
on it.
Oh.
Look at that color.
Oh.
아 예쁘다.
What's that? Oh, there is another black sticker.
You think it comes pre-charged, or do I have to charge?
I don't think you need to try that. Is there a protect screen? They don't support, isn't it?
Let's see. I don't think so.
Yeah, there is no protect
So I
screen.
need to order one tonight. It just comes with pin.
There is
and
no charger.
tape.
Originally, Samsung always they support
the
minimum.
base, the fast
the-
charger base, but they want to make more
minimum.
money now.
And then she is trying to turn on.
Uh-huh.
Yes, of course, it's working. At least they might be charged 50%. And this one is no company phone. It means it's not connected any like SK, TKT or LG.
LG.
It's just the smartphone. So she can put any SIM card there and then she can just use. They said welcome. You can
Huh?
move your file later. Ah, this one is
It's
kind
just
of
like-
system, isn't it?
Oh.
Okay, where's your phone? Yes, I was right. At least they're charging now 50%.
Okay.
Okay, first go Samsung membership. Go back to Samsung membership. I saw Samsung membership. Where is it? Go down.
Diagnostic test.
So basic test. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, you need to test everything. Checking NFC is working. If there is even one problem, they must listen your mobile network. Okay. Sensor. Which sensor?
Cover the top of your phone with your.
Oh, yeah. Oh. If there is not changing, it means one spot there is a problem. On the screen. You have never done that before? No. This one is first thing after you got new phone.
I didn't know
Sana.
this was a thing. Wow.
Okay, every spot is working. And button.
Press the volume up key.
Button is working.
Press the volume down key.
Oh.
Press the slide key. To the button to see.
Flashlight. Also there is light test for camera.
There's a flashlight on the back of your phone.
Check. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, it's working. Oh, first time camera. It's high quality camera.
Oh, hello, my bed. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, this one is selfie.
Be with me.
Oh, selfie. Selfie is working too. So both the camera is working now.
This time, and then there's a microphone at the top.
Oh, both the side, bottom and top.
Hello, I am a potato. Hello, I am a potato.
Oh, potato is working.
Move your S Pen from A to B,
Mm.
keeping it up 1 centimeter above the screen.
It's dragging test. Yes.
Oh.
Little bit just apart.
Connect to charger. Put your phone on wireless charger.
Let's go together. I have wireless charger.
But yeah, it gives you 10 seconds. We didn't get here fast enough. Charging speed normal.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, how is it? The music sound.
Wow.
Much better? How is it the bounce?
It's loud.
That's good. It's better than your phone.
And then, yeah, the speaker has 2 sides.
You got new Galaxy 23 Ultra phone. So how is it now? How is it the first expression?
It's fancy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else to say. I haven't done anything but set up. But also, I've never had a phone with
No.
the pen thingy before, so I'm excited to like
the test is everything is done except the finger and something else, isn't
SIM
it?
card, because I need to move my SIM card.
Yeah, so this phone is good phone. We don't have to change this phone. Also, you know, you have so many gift cards, so you can order on Samsung webpage. It is your pre-order event,
Ah,
isn't it?
yes.
So you have a kind of discount coupon. You can buy Galaxy Watch with 50%, 30% discount.
30.
30%. I'm gonna take a video when she's gonna order another stuff, and then let's see how it look like with Galaxy 23 Ultra. And then see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.